See this question, if f bar is equal to del operating on x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, find divergence of f and curl of f. Do you remember this is being solved already in the class? While taking this, I told this is one of the important one. Okay, because this question has appeared actually out of 3 question papers, it has appeared in 2. See, this is the next question paper. You can see question number 1b is same. Okay, so this is one of the important one. Do you remember how to do it? So del, you take this bracket quantity as phi. So del phi, how to write? Del phi means what? Gradient of phi. Correct? How to write gradient?
Dou pi by dou x I.
Yes. Dou phi
Dou
by
y by
dou x.
dou.
Dou phi by
Dou
dou
pi
y
by
g.
dou y j. Dou
Dou
pi
phi
by
by
dou
dou
z
z
k.
k. Yeah, this is how you should write, and then you should just differentiate, write down, and then okay, then you have to find divergence and curl it. I could see one example is there. See here in the next question paper, question number 1b, you can see. This is not solved. A similar is solved. This is not solved. So I just want, let us take this example. Okay, all of you just write down. This question number 1b, what you can see on the screen. If f bar is equal to del operating on x, y cube, z square, find divergence of f and curl of f at 1, minus 1, 1. Yeah. So those who are perfect with the preparation, you can start solving it. Those still have got doubts can just listen to my explanation. Okay. Yes. Hopefully you written the question. Just write. Given, what is f bar? Del operating on x, y cube, z square, no? Am I right? Huh. X, y cube, z square. So take this as this x, y cube, z square as some phi. So take it as del phi. Del phi means it is gradient of phi. We know the expression dou phi by dou xi, dou phi by dou yj, dou phi by dou zk. So now what is the derivative of this phi with respect to x? With respect to x means you will get y cube z square. Correct? X is 1. Yeah. The same phi with respect to y means x z square constant. What is the derivative of y cube? Derivative of y cube? Okay, you are not answering. That means hopefully you are solving. Okay. Now with respect to z means xy cube is constant. Z square is 2z. Okay. This is my f. It is now, it's a vector quantity. What is to be found is divergence and curl. So what is divergence? How divergence is defined? Divergence is del dot f. Del dot f. So del is dou by dou xi, dou by dou yj, dou by dou zk. Dot product with y cube z square I plus 3x z square y square j plus 2x y cube zk. I'm writing the same vector f. Now, if you just take the dot product, multiply the corresponding I coefficients. That means derivative of this y cube z square with respect to x is how much? Can you see any x here?
0.
0. Yes. And I dot I is 1. Okay. Now derivative of x 3x z square y square with respect to y. With respect to y means it is 2y. Other all constants, no? So 2, 3 2s are 6 x z square y. Am I correct? Similarly, the last term with respect to z. With respect to z means 2xy cube. Correct?
Y cube.
Yes. Now let us find this divergence at the given point. Which is the given point? What they have given?
1 minus
Minus
1.
1, 1.
Yeah, 1 minus 1, 1. Means here you should replace x by 1, z by 1 and y by minus 1. Tell me, if you just do all that substitution, answer is what?
-8.
Minus 8.
Minus
Others,
Minus
same
8.
answer?
-8.
Yes.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? So we could recall gradient definition, divergence. Let us take one more thing given for this question. What is that? Isn't it they have asked a
Curl.
curl?
Curl.
Curl means
Cross.
cross product with del.
Cross.
Del cross. I, J, K. Second row is for del. I, J, K coefficients. And third one is for F. I, J, K coefficients. Y cube Z square. 3x by Z square Y square. 3x Y cube Z. Sorry, 2. Expand it and tell me the value. Huh?
0, ma'am.
0.
0,
Yes.
ma'am.
Very good. But don't show it directly as 0. You have to just solve it and show, huh? Here to cover maximum, I'm taking only few, like I'm taking important steps. Because already we have discussed in class. Some problems which are left out, I'm solving it. Now, this is curl F. Tell me what is curl F at the given point? Because they have asked up at the point, right? Is it 0 or is it going to change?
0, ma'am.
0 only.
0, ma'am.
Correct? Yes. That. Now, yeah. So we recall the 3 basic quantities what we defined in vector differentiation. And one more thing, in all the 3 question papers what I am having right now, they have asked vector differentiation as question number 1 and vector integration as question number 2. Means they have not mixed the questions. If it is so, it is good. Then also you should know if they have mixed also. Right. So this question number 1B is done. Now you can observe, yes, we have a question here. Just see question number 1A. Find the angle between the surfaces x square plus y square minus z square equal to 4 and z equal to x square plus y square minus 13 at 2, 1, 2. Is this example solved in class? I think we have solved for angle between surfaces only one example. I think this is not solved. Let us
Yes,
take
ma'am.
this. Shall we take this? Write down. Question number 1A. Find the angle between the surfaces x square plus y square minus z square equal to 4 and z equal to x square plus y square minus 13 at 2, 1, 2. At 2, 1, 2. Recall how to find angle between two surfaces? Angle between
Cos
two
theta is
surfaces.
equal to.
Yeah, 1 second, just a minute. Yeah, so we find a quantity cos theta equal to, this is given by formula.
Del phi 1 dot del phi 2.
Very good. Divided by?
Divided by magnitude of del phi 1 into magnitude of del phi 2.
Yes, it is just similar to A dot B upon magnitude of A into magnitude of B. Only A and B are nothing but in terms of del phi 1, del phi 2. That is the thing, right? So let us start finding del phi 1, del phi 2. For that, we need to take what is phi 1. What is phi 1 means? So from the first given surface, you should take the terms containing only x, y, z. That is my phi 1. Am I right? Am I right? Tell me then, what is phi 1 for the first surface? What are the terms containing
X square plus y square minus z square.
Yes. Let us find del phi 1. Del phi 1 means, you know the expression. Del operating on a scalar quantity means gradient. Have you find gradient? Dou phi 1 by dou xi plus dou phi 1 by dou yj plus dou phi 1 by dou z k, isn't it? Yeah, those all steps should be written, huh? Now, what is the derivative of this phi 1 with respect to x? 2x. With respect to y, 2y. With respect to z, 2z. So if you apply the definition of del phi 1, you will get like the quantity, and then if you substitute, you are going to get the vector like this. Now, they have asked the value of this del phi 1 at a point, right? 2, 1, 2, I guess. Am I right? Okay. Substitute x as 2, z as 2, and y as 1. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. On similar lines, take the second surface. See, second surface is given as z equal to x square plus y square minus 13, I guess. So take all the terms on one side and take it as phi 2. Can you tell me what is phi 2?
X square plus y square minus z.
Minus z. 13, don't take. Okay? Yeah. On the similar lines, find del phi 2 also. It is similar. X square plus what is you will get for z minus z. Fast.
Minus k.
Minus. Okay, so del phi 2 at the given point is what? 2, 1, 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. What is the change in k? No change. Let us substitute in equation 1. I'm repeating, I'm not writing all the steps, but when you write in exam, all steps should be written. Huh? To cover maximum example, I'm writing little shorter. Okay, because this concept is already dealt. Okay, already it is completed actually. Yes, cos theta, if you see what is the numerator, it is del phi 1 dot del phi 2, isn't it? Dot product of these two. How to get dot product? Multiply I, j, k coefficients. Am I right? 4 4s are 2 2s are minus 4 into minus 1. Very good. Okay. What is magnitude of del phi 1? What is the magnitude of this? Root of
6, ma'am.
16 plus 4 plus 16. How much? Root 36, I guess. Huh? What is the magnitude
Yes,
of
ma'am.
the second vector? 4
Root,
plus
root 21.
root 21. Okay. What is this addition? 16 plus 4 plus 4.
24, ma'am.
Yeah.
Root 4.
Root 36 is 6.
Ma'am. 4 by
Correct?
root 21.
Ah.
4 by
answer
root
is
21.
yes. Or else write theta value, only theta value. That is better. So some valuator don't hesitate to cut 1 mark if you are not written cos inverse. Okay. So this is how to find angle between the two surfaces. Okay. Shall I take next? Shall I take next example?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. This is solved. Okay. Here you can see. Yeah, they have asked here directional derivative. Write down this question. You can take this for homework. Find directional derivative of phi. I think this is solved in the class. I remember the answer is 376 by 7. This is solved. So need not to worry. Directional derivative means what? Okay, just recall that little part and then I can take it. Directional derivative is given by what?
Del phi dot n cap.
Very good. Okay, del phi means you know they will give some scalar function. You have to find gradient of that scalar function. What is n cap? N cap is given
Vector d
direction.
divided by magnitude.
Yeah, magnitude of
vector
dy. So this is you have to find, and then you have to find a quantity. For that example, the answer is 376 by 7. It's already solved in the class. Yeah, let me go to the next. Okay, this I'll take. Yeah, see here we have question number 1b. You can see find the angle between the surfaces x square plus y square plus z square is 9 and z equal to x square plus y square minus 3 at the point 2 minus 1 2. This is 100% solved in the class. I told no, this is one of the important one. Same example they've asked. Do you remember the answer for this? Only one example we have solved. I told even if when I see the answer, I can recall that it is important question. Cos inverse of 8 upon
8 by 3 root 21.
very
3 root 21.
okay. So this is what you are going to get over for that. Yes, is directional derivative and surface between the two angles. Angle between the two surfaces is done. One more concept you need to remember is if they are orthogonal. What is the condition? Two surfaces are orthogonal.
0, ma'am.
What is 0?
Del phi 1 dot del phi 2 is 0.
Yes, del phi 1 dot del phi 2 is equal to
Del
0.
phi
That condition. Huh? That condition has to be used. Yes, madam. Yeah. Now you can see there is one more type of question asked here. Find ABC such that this they have given some vector is irrotational. Find a scalar function phi such that f equal to del phi. I think so. This example is not solved. Shall I solve it? Okay, or else I think I have one more example here somewhere. Okay, this example is solved where we will get a equal to 6 and b is 3. This question number 1c you can see. 1 second, I'll take one example because see this is little different. What is this? Find the value of the constant a such that the vector field f. See in this vector field in all the 3 ijk coefficients they have given a. They have not solved such. Am I right? Shall I take up this? Not me. We all will.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write down. Find a if f bar is equal to axy minus z cube into I plus a minus 2 into x square j plus 1 minus a into xz square k is irrotational and hence find phi such that f is equal to del phi. F is equal to del phi. Yeah. Those who are 100% prepared can start solving it. Those who are not 100% sure can concentrate on my explanation. Okay. Yeah. Just see what is given. Tell me the vector field F, given vector field. Axy minus z cube I, no? Plus a minus 2 into x square j plus 1 minus a into xz square. Okay, what they have given? What they have given about this?
Irrotational.
Irrotational. What is the meaning if a vector field is irrotational means? What the definition says?
Curl F is
Curl
0.
Yeah.
is 0, ma'am.
If you find curl of such a vector field, it is 0 vector. Curl means del cross F. Correct? Is 0 vector. Take del cross F. How to write del cross F? First row is I, J, K. Second row is I, J, K coefficients of del. Dou by dou X, dou by dou Y, dou by dou Z. Yeah, for F, what are IJK coefficients? AXY minus Z cube, A minus 2 into X square. Don't forget that outside quantity. 1 minus A into XZ square. Yeah, take it. This is given as 0 vector, isn't it? Expand it. I into, leave the row and the column. What is the derivative of this quantity with respect to Y? Is there any Y?
0.
Not, no, means 0. What is the derivative of this with respect to Z? This is A minus 2, huh? 0, no? There is no Z in this. Minus J into. Yeah, derivative of this quantity with respect to X. With respect to X. Leaving x, whatever you have, because x derivative with respect to x is 1, no? Means 1 minus a into z square. Am I correct?
Yes.
Answer now. Huh? What is the derivative of this quantity with respect to z? Z.
Zero.
0. Huh? With respect to z, minus 3z square. Plus k into. Yeah, with respect to x, what is the derivative? Why you are not answering? You are solving.
Ma'am, minus into minus plus, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Huh. See, if you are not there, I'm doing some mistakes. So please answer. Okay, a minus 2 into 2 minus 2x. With respect to y, what is the derivative? Ax. Equate. This is 0 only, not to worry. Now here you can see 1 minus a. See, z square will be common, no? Here, if I take the coefficient of j. So I'll just take a, I'm interested. I'll not bother about z. Plus 3 is 0. Correct? What is the value of a then? A you shift here. 1 plus 3, 4. Correct? If you solve this part, is it same? This is 2a minus 2 2s
Yes,
are
ma'am.
4 minus a is 0. Same, huh? 2a minus a is a. Send your 4 that side. Yes. You find here or here. Both the will give you the same value of a. Correct? See, even they will ask ABC. Even they may give same constant a in all the three. And they will ask you to find that constant. Okay. What is the next part of the question? We need to find phi, no? We need to find phi. What is the condition to be used? What is the condition to be used? Del phi is equal to f, right? What is del phi?
Grid.
Yeah. Tell me the expression. Hope you remember how to find scalar potential. Am I right? Now what you do when you write f, you write the value of a as 4 and take it. That is better. So if a is 4, it is like 4xy minus z cube I. Correct? Now if a is 4, 4 minus 2 is how much? Plus 2x square j. Correct? A is 4. 1 minus 4. In the given vector f, after finding a, you should take the value of a and then only you substitute over here. What we applied the concept after this? What we applied?
Comparing the
We have to
components,
equate the
ma'am.
corresponding coefficients of ijk, right? Coefficient of I here is equal to coefficient of I. What we did after this? Isn't it we integrated? This to be integrated with respect to?
Yes, ma'am.
With respect to?
X.
X. Treating y and z as?
Ma'am.
Treating y and z as?
Constant.
Constant.
Tell me what you'll get. What is the integration of dou phi by dou x is only phi with respect to x. 4. Y is constant. X integration is?
X square by 2.
Then z cube is constant. You will get a x. What should be added up?
F of x, y, comma, z, ma'am.
Y comma z. Similarly, equate the j coefficients. This is equal to this. What is to be done here?
2x square y.
2x square y.
Yes. 2x
Integrate with
square
respect to y.
plus
G of x comma z.
Yes. Last one. K coefficient.
Minus 3
Huh.
z cube by minus 3x z cube by 3.
Very good. Plus
H of x comma y.
yes. Now you can observe here in first expression how many terms are there? How many terms are there? In this first expression, there are 3 terms altogether. But in the rest of the 2 equations, if you see, we have only 2 terms, right? That means what should be the value of this term? Obviously 0, because it should balance, right? Instead of 3, we have to get only one unique expression. This is clearly 0. Now what is x, g of x comma z, you tell? Which should be present in the next 2, which is not there here. Minus xz cube, no?
X Z cube.
Yes, Z
Okay.
cube.
What should be h of x comma y to be chosen? Which is a function of x and y to be chosen? Yeah, this is present in the remaining 2. So you know how to write it and all that. By choosing this value is equal to and all that, you just give the explanation. Tell me what is my final phi then?
2x square by
Yeah.
minus x z cube.
This is called as, what is the name? What is the name for this? Don't forget.
Scalar
It is a
potential.
scalar potential. Means it is a scalar quantity. Okay. Hope the problem is clear. Okay. Yes. Let me take another. This is done. Hopefully, yeah. So the first part, vector differentiation, is done. Okay. Some 10, 20 minutes are there. I'll try to complete vector integration part also. Okay. Let me start with this same. See what they have given. They have given a vector field f, 3x square. Okay. And they have asked us to evaluate a line integral, isn't it? F dot dr means what it is representing? Line integral from origin to 1, 1, 1 along the curve, which is given by these equations. What these equations are called as?
Parametric equations.
Parametric equations. So this is a question belonging to which category? This is belonging to a question for line integral, no? Yes. So we have to solve
Yes,
according to the line integral. This is easy one because already parametric equations are given. And can you tell me how t is varying? What are the limits? 0 to 1. 0 to 1. This you can take it for homework. This you take it for homework because one example they have asked on work done, that I will solve. Just write down. If f equal to 3x square plus 6y into I minus 14yz into j plus 20xz square k. Evaluate integration f dot dr over c from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1 along the curve x equal to t, y equal to t square, z equal to t cube. I'll tell you the answer. I think the answer is I'll get 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 plus 6. How much? 9 minus 4. Answer is 5 actually for that. Write down the answer. After solving, you can confirm it. Okay, here also we have one similar problem. Just see. Question number 2a. This also can be solved on line integral only. Only change here is the limits are different and the function f given is different. Okay, I want to solve this example. See question number 2a. Question number 2a. Find the total work done in moving a particle in force field F bar equal to 3xyi minus 5zj plus 10xk along the curve x equal to y equal to z equal to. They have given it. Write the question. Question number 2a, just write it. So that from line integral I can solve one question. Written. Write it. Find the total work done in moving the particle in force field F bar is equal to 3xyi minus 5zj plus 10xk along the curve x equal to t square plus 1, y equal to 2t square, z equal to t cube from t equal to 1 to t equal to 2. Now tell me, work done concept and line integral both are one and the same, or are they different?
Same, ma'am.
They are 100% same, right? So work done means even it is to be calculated by the line integral only. Okay. Yeah, let me take it. Yeah, please tell me in what is my F? Tell me what is F here given? What is F?
XYI.
3xy I minus 5z
5xkj 10xk I remember.
5ZJ.
Ma'am, 5ZJ.
5zj. Okay.
5z
J. Okay. What are x, y, z values? X is
T square plus 1.
y is
2t square.
and z is
T cube.
t cube. Okay. Limits are 1 to 2, no? Okay. Done. Yes. So recall the procedure how to get the line integral or a work done. So it is given by the work done or it is given by the line integral f dot dr over c. Am I right? Whenever we use a definition, how we simplify it? How we take? Don't you remember what it is? F dot dr by dt into dt, no? Huh? Am I right? Let us use this. For this, we require what is F and what is dr by dt in terms of t. Okay, just you write your F in terms of T and even take R. What is the standard format? Xi plus Yj plus Zk. Substitute for XYZ values and then you differentiate this R with respect to T. Okay, you will get one more vector. So while substituting I'll avoid one step, that is I'll directly take the dot product. What is the dot product of this f and dr by dt? 2t into these terms. Just tell me what you'll get. 2 2s are 4, 4t cube. Okay, see this 4t cube into bracket 3t square plus 3. How can I multiply? 4 3s are 12. T cube into t square is t raised to 5, no? Plus 4 3s are 12 t cube. Next, multiply the j coefficients. 5 4s are 20 minus 20 t raised to 4. Coefficients of k you multiply. What will you get? 3t square. 3 means 30t square. 30t square into t square is 30 t raised to 4 plus 30t square. Am I correct? Check with this. Don't miss any term, otherwise your answer will be wrong. Tell me, are you getting same? Are you getting the same? Yes. Okay. Now start integrating. 12 t raised to 5 means 12. T raised to 5 integration. 6 by 6. T raised to 3 integration. T raised to 4 by 4. No? Next. Minus 20 plus 30 is how much? 10, no? What is the integration of t raised to 4? Now 30, t square is t cube by 3. T varies from 1 to 2. Simplify it. 6 1s are 6 2s are. 4 1s are 4 3s are. 5 1s are 5 2s are. 3 1s are 3 10s are. Yeah, simplify like this. 2 into bracket 2 raised to 6 minus 1 raised to 6 is 1. 3 into bracket 2 raised to 4 minus 1. 2 into bracket 2 raised to 5 minus 1 plus 10 into bracket 2 raised to 3 minus 1. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer for this first. Okay, hope you can calculate it. Now, actually, I want to cover up some part. Just see in your notes, is the problem on flux is done. Flux across S. This question number 2C. Maybe the last example in the module 1 part. Just check. Is this example done? Can I get an answer today? Anybody with the answer? Okay. Okay. Let us complete. So this is now 3 into and plus 9. So let us integrate with respect to y now. So with respect to y means this is 3x plus 9 is constant. 3x plus 9 is constant. So y with respect to y is 1. Limits are 1 to 0. So when you do for 2y, no, this has to be multiplied with 3. So 2 3s are 6y. 6 y square by 2. And y limit is 1. So 1 square. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Let's check with respect to x. Still we have to do it. So what is the answer? This is x varying from 0 to 2. 3x plus 9 and this is minus 3. Plus 9 minus 3 is how much? Plus 6. With respect to x, it is x square by 2. Yeah, you can put your number in the chat box. X is varying from 0 to 2. Check the answer. 2 1s are 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 6 2s are 12. No, answer is actually 30. Where I missed it.
Ma'am, 30.
Yes, ma'am. 30 answer.
Answer is 30.
Yes, ma'am.
3 plus 9.
Answer 30,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. 30.
I think I missed here. It should be plus. So plus means 9 plus 3 is 12 here. So it is 12. Yes. 12 2s are 24. Yeah, answer is 30. Very good. How this is to be solved in this way. Okay, just you can see 2 more examples are there. Green's theorem I could not, but you can try with those. See the question parallelepiped is again asked here. See the same question is solved in the class where the answer is ABC into bracket A plus B plus C is the answer for this. Same question is here. Just you can observe here. Question number 2C. Isn't it same? Your vector field is same. Only limits instead of 0 to A, 0 to B, 0 to C, they are 0 to 1 all. Can you tell me what is the answer then? What is the answer for this? The answer is
3.
3. Answer is 3. Okay. So this completes about the tutorial class for module 1. So let